Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a modem. First, gather all your necessary equipment, including the new modem, any provided cables, and your computer. Next, locate the coaxial cable wall outlet in your home. It's also important to confirm that your internet service is already active with your provider. Finally, have your account information readily available for the activation process. Now, let's connect the modem. Take the coaxial cable and securely attach one end to the modem and the other end to the wall outlet. Then, plug the power adapter into the modem and an available electrical outlet. Give the modem a few minutes to power on and for its indicator lights to become stable. Lastly, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to your computer. With the modem connected, it's time to activate your internet service. Open a web browser on the computer that is directly connected to the modem. Your internet service provider's activation page should appear, guiding you through the process. If not, you might need to call their customer support. Be prepared to provide your modem's MAC address and your account details. Once activated, you can set up your Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network name and password, usually printed on a sticker on the modem itself. Use these credentials to connect your wireless devices. Finally, open a web browser and visit a few websites to confirm your internet connection is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer to your provider's troubleshooting guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.